Shayna, are you cold?
This is Shayna.
It's too cold out here.
I don't have to I'm gonna tug it.
It's okay, Shayna. I'm breathing. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna be like the Iceman that you see on TV all the time.
Mommy, help me. Oh, don't you wish you carried your jacket? Yes.
But you. Box. It's too cold. It needs to be like summer or something. Like not winter.
It needs to be winter. I love winter. Get it out, man. Get it all out.
That's the guy coming. Say hi.
Oh, screw you.
Hi. Leave her alone.
What are you waiting for? What are you doing?
Can we go to the movies?
Why?
Please.
They put you on hold?
Please.
No. Then what are you doing?
Gotta wait on Christy.
Would you like to What?
Inside the subway and just sit there and smell the news.
Why don't we just go back to the movie theater?
Are you still recording?
Yeah, let's go. Well, we gotta wait for Christy then.
Carly, is she coming? What kind of car does she have?
Where's the Subway sign?
Crappy one, okay.
Subway's open. Smells awesome. You want the rest of that?
Is it warm?
No.
You could have asked before 5 o'clock.
Oh, my phone's vibrating.
I told you we were